One bucket, a clean swing, and the truck is already changing its suspension as the load settles in. This is the kind of heavy equipment rhythm you don't fake. Steel, hydraulics, and operator skill, all locked into a cycle that keeps the entire mine moving. Every second matters here, because when trucks are waiting, production is bleeding. But when the excavator's on point, the haul line never stops. You're watching Caterpillar 6015B in action, fast man truck loading at mining works. In this video, you'll see a Cat 6015B running a tight, efficient loading pattern into man trucks at a working mining site. Watch for the little details: bucket fill technique, swing control, truck spotting, and how the operator places each dump to keep loads balanced and cycle times consistent. The Caterpillar 6015B sits in the 150-ton class, built for high-volume earth moving and mining. It's powered by a Cat C27 ACERT engine rated around 813 horsepower, and that power is designed for one thing: continuous work under load. On a machine like this, horsepower becomes hydraulic performance, and hydraulic performance becomes production. When you see the boom lift, the stick pull, and the bucket curl happening smoothly together, that's not luck. It's a system built to keep flow up and respond sharp through long shifts. Now look at the business end, the bucket. A typical backhoe bucket on this class of machine is around 8.1 cubic meters, about 10.6 cubic yards, meaning every pass can move a serious amount of material when the operator hits a clean fill. That's why this machine is often matched to a steady fleet of haul trucks. The goal isn't just to dig, it's to keep trucks cycling with minimal idle time. Watch closely at the face as the bucket enters. The operator sets the teeth in with control, then draws the stick in while curling the bucket at the right moment. That timing is everything. Curl too early and you trap air instead of material. Curl too late and you scrape, spill, and waste energy. Here, the bucket comes out full and stable. No excessive shaking, no correction swings, just a clean exit from the cut. Look at this angle during the swing. Notice how tight the rotation is. In production loading, short swing angles are a cheat code. They save seconds every cycle, and over an hour, those seconds become extra truckloads. The operator isn't over-rotating and then finding the truck again. He's swinging to the same target point again and again like it's measured. Now focus on the man truck spotting. A good driver excavator rhythm is a teamwork skill. The truck backs in square, The excavator stays centered and the bucket drops into the bed with controlled placement. Watch closely as the material lands, centered and spread, not slammed into one corner. Balanced loads reduce spillage, help stability on the haul road, and keep the truck from having to re-spot for topping off. That's efficiency that doesn't just look good, it protects equipment and keeps the line moving. You'll also notice the operator's dump control. Instead of a sudden snap dump, the bucket opens in a smooth, timed release that spreads material evenly, reduces dust and bounce, and helps keep the truck body from taking unnecessary impact. It's a small detail, but it's the difference between loading and professional loading. Now watch the return swing back to the face. The operator is already resetting the machine while rotating. Boom height, stick position, bucket angle, so the bucket arrives ready for the next bite. That's how you maintain a fast cycle without rushing. Smooth is fast when every motion is purposeful. Here's a real performance highlight from operations like this. The excavator is the heartbeat of the haul system. If the excavator's cycle slows by even a few seconds, truck queues form quickly and production drops. But when the loading unit stays consistent, the entire system stays healthy. Haulers keep rolling, the dump point stays supplied, and support machines can focus on road and bench quality instead of constant cleanup. And speaking of the work zone, look at the ground condition. A clean bench and a managed face make everything easier. When the floor is level and the cut is shaped, the bucket fills more consistently, the excavator stays stable, and the operator doesn't waste time fixing sloppy conditions. That's why mining works isn't just the big machine. It's the whole process: excavation, hauling, road maintenance, and continuous repetition. Watch closely for the operator's no-waste habits. The bucket doesn't travel higher than it needs to. The swing doesn't overshoot. The machine doesn't pause to think. Every movement is part of one continuous loop. Fill, swing, place, return. That is production discipline, and it's what turns a powerful excavator into a reliable output machine. If you're enjoying this kind of real mining work, take a second to hit like, subscribe for more heavy equipment action, and drop a comment. Do you prefer 2-pass loading for speed or 3 to 4 passes for maximum control when material gets tough? As the truck line keeps cycling, pay attention to the consistency. Same swing path, same dumping zone, same controlled bucket curl. That's what makes this satisfying to watch. It's repetition with purpose, where every cycle looks almost identical because the system is working. Thanks for watching Caterpillar 6015B in action, fast man truck loading at mining works. In the next video, we'll get even closer with tighter angles on the bucket fill, the truck spotting strategy, and the small operator techniques that shave seconds off every cycle. Until then, keep your eyes on the cut, because in mining, the cut tells you everything about the machine, the operator, and the work.